So, at the final whistle, it's Waterhouse on the Rafiq Thomas 75th minute goal that win this fixture by 1-0 over a spirited effort from Reno, whose travelling woes continue. They've won just one of their 14 matches on the road. Waterhouse putting the pressure on from early. McFarlane with a strong strike on goal, left-footed, going high. Again, it's McFarlane with a left-footed effort. This one a curler that again goes high. Mark Miller, our man of the match, delightful with his crosses from the right tonight. Keith Simpson just not getting hold of that header properly. Waterhouse keeping the pressure on. Great play here. Tremaine Stewart rocks the ball across goal, and Bernard it is that clears the ball away. Javier Brown with the effort from 22 yards out for Reno. Also high. Pressure here. Downswell gets in there, but great save by Akeem Chambers in the Waterhouse goal, just keeping himself low and blocking the effort. The flick on pass by Leslie, the cross inside, and Denardo Thomas just unable to get that one in. Mark Miller was with a cross from the right. Bernard with a left-footed cross, punched over the top. Plummer with a strike from distance for Reno. Kept Akeem Chambers in the Waterhouse goal busy. Denardo Thomas gets in with a header here. Again, it's Miller with a cross, constantly putting pressure on. And here's the moment that Rafiq Thomas came on. Effort there from McFarlane, the rebound, and Rafiq Thomas right on spot as Akeem Brown in goal for Reno, unable to make proper contact with his punch out, and the 34-year-old is right on spot to sink it. Waterhouse winners by 1-0. 14 attempts they had on goal, Waterhouse. Only 3 of them on target. Reno with 10 attempts on goal, half of them on target. 23 fouls alone in this match, 16 of them coming from the Reno players. 3 yellow cards issued by referee Nicholson, 2 of them to Reno players. 7 corners forced by Waterhouse, 5-4 from Reno. And Waterhouse having significantly more ball possession, 60 to Reno's 40. Our man of the match at right full back for Waterhouse is Mark Miller, and he's with George.